Welcome to my channel. There are several different types of L'Oreal Paris Elvive Total Repair 5 Repairing Shampoo and Conditioner, each with its own features, advantages, and costs. Please read my description if you are interested in learning more about the price and other details. Let's watch the video without further ado. Expert Repairing Formula: L'Oreal Paris Elvive Total Repair 5 Repairing Shampoo and Conditioner Set for silky, healthy, stronger, supple, and easy to style hair *** with the system. Caring ingredients: formulated with caring ingredients, featuring up to 9% repair concentrate with protein for silky, healthy looking hair. Indulgent Experience: neither too rich nor too light. Total Repair 5 Repairing Shampoo and Repairing Conditioner create a perfect synergy of intense care without the weight down. Irresistible Fragrance: L'Oreal Paris Elvive Total Repair 5S offers a sophisticated floral, creamy blend with juicy green notes. Complete Repairing Systen: maximize results by using the L'Oreal Paris Elvive Total Repair 5 Power Restore Multi-Use Treatment. Check out the description to find the product link. Thank you for watching this video.